2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Follow. 5, 6, 7. Both hands up. Give it a right turn. 1. Guys, step side. 2. We're going to start turning. 3. Now the left hand is going to go to our left shoulder. 5. We're going to step to the side as the right hand goes down. 6, 7. Start turning back to the right. So on 1, we're going to bring the right hand inside, our right hand inside her elbow as we look at her. 1, we're going to bring it, flick it. 2, 3, switch hands, left hand on the bottom, right hand on top. Guys, right turn. 5, 6, 7, off the slot. So now we're going to bring our 2 steps forward. 1, 2, leave the left hand low, right hand's going to go high. 3, we're going to turn to the left, wrapping her up. 5, we're going to keep her wrapped as we keep walking around her to the left. So she keeps turning on 6, 7. So we should be facing opposite ways. So now on 1, I'm going to face her and walk forward with her. 1, I'm going to pull to give her 1.5 right. On 2, 3, I'm going to do a right turn. Left hand goes down. 5, 6, back up on 7. I'm going to look at her on 1, give her a double turn. On 2, 3, follow 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk through 1.5 left. Forward 1, 2. Turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Now 1.5 right. Forward 1. Turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Double turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.